Today I'll be introducing how to build our products. This video will show you how to build the 20 cube closet. The basic concept will apply to the other closets and bookcases as well. First, I'm going to introduce the parts: the rectangular panel, square door panel, rectangular weight bearing panel, hanging rods, and the connectors. Note, when building the bookcase, you will not have any rectangular panels, only square panels. Also, the closet with 16 or less cubes will not have the weight-bearing rectangular panel. The first step is to build the base. First, start with the rectangular panel. Note, if you are building a bookcase, you will use a square panel. Add the connectors facing outward from the shorter side of the rectangular panel. Please make sure to put the panels all the way into the connectors. Double check the round face of the connector is facing outwards. The ridges of the connector should be vertical. Continue to add the panels to complete the base. The base is now complete. Step 2. Assembling the side and back walls. The side walls will be built with the rectangular panels. The back walls will be built with the square panels. Now add the connectors to the intersection of the back and side walls. Try not to leave any gaps when placing the panel into the connectors. Step 3. Assembling the top of the cube. For this step, you will use the rectangular panel. Place the top panel into the connector as shown. Step 4. Installing the door panel. Place the connector onto the top of the door panel, parallel to the ridges as shown. Next, place the bottom of the door panel into the bottom connector as shown. Using the connector previously installed on the door panel, connect the door panel to complete the cube. Add the last connector to complete the first row of cubes. Step 5. Removing the gaps. Before you build the next row, to ensure a stable final product, use the wooden mallet to remove any gaps in the slots of the connectors. Step 6. Repeat the process from Step 2 to Step 5 to complete the other rows. Note, you will not add the top panel of the cube for the hanging section of the closets. Step 7. Installing weight-bearing panels. Install the weight-bearing panel as the side walls of the fourth row of the closet. Note, this will only apply to the 20 and 25 cube closets. Step 8. Installing the hanging rods. Place the hanging rods onto the side walls as shown. Step 9. Completing the closet. Add the top panel of the cube and then complete the last row of cubes to complete the closet. Zip ties are included in the 20 and 25 cube closets. You may use the zip ties to connect the doors of the hanging section of your closet.